Welcome everyone. I have a quick tip for you that's going to help you in your street and travel photography, but not only that, in almost any other type of photography as well. Now, when we take a look at this picture, we have a pretty solid understanding of the primary subject. It's the man and the woman walking through this traditional back alley bar area of Tokyo. And we have some really cool surroundings. Obviously, we have the lanterns, we have some more lanterns up here, and some fantastic leaves up here. However, because it's a black and white picture, and also because of the look on their faces, it's almost as if they're a little bit bewildered, and there could be a sense of, not anxiety, but it's not complete ease. This alone would be an okay picture, but the real value in my mind is what I would call the secondary subject. And the secondary subject that I see is the monster. It's almost as if the monster was stalking them and is just in the dark corner. And these two really don't know what's going to happen. Now, of course, this could be a completely silly reading of the situation, but really that doesn't matter. My job as a photographer and your job as a photographer is to sort of amplify our pictures by adding a secondary subject, and that secondary subject really supports the primary subject or the main subject, which is the man and the woman. So in this case, the story is that the monster is sort of coming up quickly behind them, and they are in unfamiliar area. Now, your secondary subject can be absolutely anything, and it could have a really positive meaning to your image, but it could also have a negative overall feeling, and that doesn't matter really. All you're looking for is the ability to portray an emotion, to tell a story, to create that narrative. So in this instance, because of the surrounding, it's almost like a fairy tale picture in my mind. Are these two, where are they going? Are they going to this sort of Miyazaki film like Spirited Away situation where they have no idea where they're going and there are actually dangers everywhere? So always look for a secondary subject that actually can add a narrative element, like this monster who is following this couple. Okay, so I hope that helped, and don't forget, this is not just for street photography. It works really well for many different genres of photography. Keep creating photos. And if you found this tutorial useful, I'd really appreciate that you share it with your friends. Talk soon.